Kata 5, or machine gun kata, is a combination of movements and techniques from the first four forms. The blocking sequence has been expanded to include all three basic blocks. This is followed by a front snap kick and 3 punches to different levels. The series down the middle consists of 3 front snap kicks with the hands held in a guarded position. The hips play an important role in giving each block power and focus. Move quickly, but only as fast as you can go with good technique. Maintain your mental focus by visualizing your opponents. At the end of the form, look to each side as though scanning for additional threats. Having found none, end the form with a calm Kung Nu bow. Begin the form with a clean and confident bow. Cross your hands in front of your chest and bend at the waist, keeping your back straight. Snap your head looking to the left, then turn to the left, chambering for a left lower block. After the lower block, cock your hips slightly to add power to the middle and rising blocks. Execute a front snap kick, pulling your hands to the kicking hip, then land forward with high, middle, and low punches. Look to your right, then turn and chamber for a lower block. Cock your hips slightly for the middle block and for the rising block. Pull your hands to the kicking hip as you execute a front snap kick. Land forward with high, middle, and low punches. Begin the series down the middle of the performance line with the same 3 blocks. Then, put your hands in guarded position, moving forward with 3 front snap kicks. Look to the right, then turn 270 degrees to your left, repeating the pattern in the opposite direction. Take the time to chamber each block fully. Your kick and punches must be focused and powerful. Following each kick, snap your hip into forward stance. Since machine gun kata is a long form, consideration must be given to proper breathing and muscular tension. Practicing machine gun kata is an excellent way to build your physical endurance. Studying the bunkai, or applications to the kata, is essential to understanding the form. Moves 1 through 6 can all be applied against a single attacker. In the basic application, parry and block 3 attacks from the opponent. Counter-attack, then grab the opponent, throwing him with uki-goshi, finishing the opponent with an additional kick and punches. In this slightly more advanced application, parry the opponent's punch with a lower block. Catch the hand and attack the elbow with the middle block, then drive your rising block into his neck. Grab the opponent and attack the groin with the shin or instep. Land with consecutive punches before grabbing the opponent and turning, throwing him with uki-goshi. Practice until the moves become sure and efficient. Likewise, moves 7 to 10 can also be applied against a single opponent. Use your front hand to parry the opponent's attacks before blitzing him with kicks and punches. Grab, throw, and finish.